If you are looking for a 20mm Swiss screw machine with a rotary guide bushing, you have found it in the GENTURN SL20 20mm dual Y-axis Swiss screw machine with a rotary guide bushing. Featuring the state-of-the-art Mitsubishi M830 dual path control. It comes standard with 8 tool stations on the sub-spindle that can be individually set up as either live or fixed, or you can install the standard square shank attachment for sub-spindle OD turning. The main spindle has 5 radial live tools to do side live operations. Readily available ER16 collets are used as tool holding for the live tooling stations. Double-ended tool holders can be used in the main spindle ID fixed tool bores, adding 4 more fixed tooling stations to the sub-spindle. The Z1 and Z2 axes are robust enough for broaching. Both the main and sub-spindles have a Y-axis, adding versatility to the main and sub-live tool paths. An optional thread whirling attachment allows you to do medical thread shapes with ease. The standard part ejector and part conveyor moves the finished part out of the machine, giving you a full one-and-done experience. The main spindle and rotary guide bushings have a 20mm 3/4 inch bar capacity and can turn 7.48 inches in one grip. There are 2 long drill stations through the tool coolant ready for deep holes, and standard coolant chiller helps reduce thermal growth. For more information on the GENTURN SL20Y2 Swiss screw machine, please contact us at www.expandmachinery.com or call us at 818-349-9166.